This is an inlet hose. This is outlet P hard hose. The bag contains two hard pipe connectors, an injection valve mounted on the outlet, a bottom valve mounted on the inlet. Let's install the bottom valve first and connect the bottom valve to the pump. The nut unscrews. Put the nut on first. The snap, the tip, the bottom valve is finished. Connect the bottom valve to the inlet of the pump. Inlet nut unscrewed. When installing the valve, be careful that the spool inside may come off easily. Put on the nut, snap, tip, and finally screw up clockwise, and the inlet is installed. Now install the injection valve. The injection valve is installed at the end of the outlet P hard pipe. Put on the nut, snap, and tip first. The injection valve is now installed. Connect the injection valve to the pump outlet. Unscrew the nut. Put on the nut, snap, tip, and screw it on. This is our matching hose connection. If you need hard hose on site, you can use two hard hose connections. Let's operate the hard pipe connection now. Put the connection port in the nut. Then screw it on the outlet of the pump. Same operation at the inlet. Put the connection port in the nut. Then screw it on the outlet of the pump. HJW series pump installation is finished.